Are you ready, explorers? If you're craving the ultimate astrophotography adventure and hands-on workshop, the Altiplano Astro Route 2026 is where your skills and the stars align. This isn't just a tour, it's an intensive learning expedition. Join the Noctis Astro team led by Gon Lacerna as they partner with the renowned astrophotographer Jason Rice. Together, they will guide you through Bolivia's and the Southern Hemisphere's best dark sky locations as you master the art of capturing the universe. We'll begin the workshop at Sajama National Park, home to Bolivia's highest peak and other stunning volcanoes. With its crystal clear skies, this location is the ultimate starting point to kick off your astrophotography journey. Next, we journey to Pumiri, a truly special and magical place. With its almost enchanted energy, you'll learn to compose shots where incredible rock formations align perfectly with the night sky and the Milky Way. Finally, we reach the one and only Uyuni Salt Flats, where the vast, mirror-like expanse provides a spectacular canvas. We start by visiting the train cemetery for some amazing shots with the Milky Way arching over the rusted locomotives. Next, we visit the unique Inkawasi Island. Its towering cacti and panoramic views provides a breathtaking backdrop for capturing the cosmos in all of its beauty. The expedition culminates with a night on the world's largest mirror, as we venture out to the salt flats to capture the amazing cosmic reflections of the night sky. For the ultimate astrophotography workshop, join the Altiplano Astro Route 2026 and let's explore the night sky together.